Hi, I'm RISA, and I'm the founder of a toy company, RISA Time Slime. And my first product line is actually slime. So in my YouTube channel, RISA Time Slime, I'm going to be covering some of my vlogs, my daily visiting stores, doing different types of activities, even going over some videos of my life. And I'm going to tell you the whole story about how I started a toy company. But let's get into this vlog.
Hey, so we're in Walmart, and I just walked in, and they've got this whole new section in the Walmart that is close to my hometown. They have this whole section where you can sell sodas like this. So when you first come in, it's super easy to see all the drinks that you want, like Monster, Celsius, Coke, Pepsi, Sprite. So it's actually very more convenient, like Starbucks, Vitamin Water, Prime, Gatorade, Purely, Minute Maid. So it's actually very convenient, and I like, what is that shape? An L, half, a half. Oh, it's a 90-degree angle. I like the 90-degree angle they have. That's exactly. Stay in school, kids, because then you remember angles and isosceles triangle. A rhombus. I don't know. So they've really gotten into Reebok at Walmart and having it more staged professionally, like a real athletic store right in the middle of Walmart. But we are not on the mission for that. We're on a mission for something else. So follow me. I like this Walmart more than the Walmart I filmed. This Walmart has everything more like organized, like on more of like a display. Look at them. Yeah, see, they have more of like a display. See, they have fancy lights to show off. See, it's fancy because you can see the reflection off my face. But see, this Walmart, I don't know if it's like this in every Walmart, but they have like the sunglasses on a display and watches on a display, so it looks fancy and more put together. Just the little details make it more presentable to people. And they even have watches like Frozen and Bluey and Justice and Minecraft. So just these little things make a store more appealing to consumers. But follow me. Go. When I have kids, I'm gonna invest in baby blocks, baby jails all over the house. And oh my gosh, one of the mirrors in the back seat so your baby can stare at themselves. Oh, this is really good Walmart. Did they have things like they have a mannequin display like a diet. See, this is a really good Walmart. Most Walmarts do not look like this. They have this whole display. Did they mean to put that there, or did someone just put a dog right there and thought it was really cool? Yeah, see, this is something I would actually wear. Wow. See, her body is more like my type. My body type. More like this. And this is someone else's. Where it's more like petite and lean. But I'm out of breath now. Okay, walking in a store is exhausting. That's why I had that other video where I was in CVS, because it's perfect to shop at CVS because you don't have to walk that far to go to things. And big department stores. I'm gonna do something quick and we'll be right back. Okay. Again, mannequins on stands, so it looks more professional. Okay, now it is officially appropriate if they start having Valentine's Day things around the stores. Before, it was not appropriate because Christmas hadn't even passed yet. We're getting too hazy, people, about getting all prepared for the next season. Wait, that one says Carter, child of mine. That's kind of like, I don't know if they were using a reference to the Bible or not, where it's the song where it's this child of mine in Bethlehem. They might have not thought of that, but that is for a song, this child of mine. So that's kind of funny. If you know, you know. I have this really good idea. What have we here? Wow, I'm looking at all these dog things. I wish I had a dog with me. Woo! Oh! Hi! What do you want? You want a toy? Well, now I can shop. And I have someone to tell me what exactly they want. That's great. Okay, so I'm in the mood to watch Lilo and Stitch. I think I'm hungry. So we're at Wendy's and we're gonna get some food. Let's go. So I am going to decide what I'm gonna get, and then I'll show you the food when we're done. I gotta get a drink, a fancy drink. Wait, let's see it. Oh wow, that is really good. Cherry cream soda. Oh wait. I ordered chicken nuggets, and then I asked the lady later if I could get spicy chicken nuggets, and she's like, you want to change it? And I was like, can I? And she's like, sure. Because, I don't know, we had started a conversation at the cashier and I at Wendy's head. She was like, I told her my name is RISA. And she said, oh, that's a cute name. And then I asked her, what's your name? And then I asked, oh, how was your New Year's? So then I felt like more comfortable asking, and she was like, sure. so it's good to have small talk with people. Just to be polite, but also to get favors later on if you want a favor. I'll be back. That's cut. Okay, so I got my food, and just like we went to McDonald's for a video, there's really good music playing here. But just like McDonald's, I got chicken nuggets. Wait, hold a second. I'm gonna hold the camera for a second, and I'm gonna ask my videographer to give me sanitizer while I hold the camera. Okay, there we go. I got one. So, I don't know what's up with me and chicken nuggets, but I did that at McDonald's too. I ate chicken nuggets. So, we decided to sit at the window seat so we could watch traffic in my hometown. This looks like this is a cherry cream soda. This is really good. I did not know they had that option. We celebrated New Year's Eve at home because I'm a homebody. I'm an introvert. I like to be at home. So we did it on the couch with me and my dogs and my family. Just like the way we like to do it. But I was actually taking a nap before that. So then I woke up. This was the most boring New Year's Eve. I took a nap and then I woke up 10 minutes before the clock. So it was like my body knew I needed to wake up to do the New Year's Eve. And it was like 11:50. I woke up. I took a quick nap. So, yeah. But I will film when we're at the next place. Okay.